Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the retrospective of my films in Ljubljana. My name is Werner Herzog. I wish I could be with you, but I'm working on a new film which I'm doing together with my cinematographer Peter Zeitlinger. He will be in Ljubljana for the screening of Wings of Hope, the film where Juliane Köpke crashed in the jungle of Peru. She was the only survivor. The film is important for me because I was booked on the same plane, and because of a chain of coincidences, I was not on that plane at the end. Now, Ljubljana has become important, or Slovenia, because my last feature film, which I filmed last year, was done, or the end of the film, the entire end was done in the cave system of Postojna, a world of miracles. So I'm very attached to your country, and I wish you all the best for the retrospective, and I so much wish I could be with you.